Hi everyone, I am Nam Automation Tools. Today I will guide you how to be comment by keyword on Facebook using MKT Post software. Go to the next profile function and select to say by keywords. Here you choose the content. I have added this to the software. Next you set up yourself. First are the keywords that you want to find on Facebook. These keywords are articles. Then you can choose a few more options according to the need. Finally, select your Facebook account and set the number of streams. The number of threads here is the number of accounts running concurrently. Next you set up yourself. Number of posts, the number of comments you want to post. The last step is to press the Start button and monitor the mechanism by which the software runs. Comment by keyword. The software will pay you for the links you have successfully commented. I can definitely check from this link so that you can know the outcome. After you run the software, follow along with me.